This video explores various methods of seed nut sowing in coconut, offering an in-depth look at best practices for successful germination and growth. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos and exclusive content. The coconut fruit is a drupe with 3 layers, a thin outer exocarp, a thick fibrous mesocarp, and a hard inner endocarp that encloses a large seed. The endocarp has 3 germination pores at the stalk end, one of which remains unplugged for sprouting. The embryo is positioned just below the unplugged germination pore at the stalk end of the fruit. Beneath the endocarp, a thin brown seed coat testa adheres closely. Inside the testa lies the solid endosperm, which surrounds the liquid endosperm or coconut water. As the fruit matures, the volume of water inside decreases significantly, likely due to absorption by the endosperm tissue or evaporation. When shaken, mature coconuts produce a distinctive sloshing sound, indicating the presence of remaining liquid. Tall coconut varieties typically mature within 11 to 12 months, while dwarf varieties reach maturity in 10 to 11 months after the emergence of the inflorescence. Since coconut seeds exhibit recalcitrant behavior, mature seed nuts of tall varieties should be sown within 3 months of harvest, while those of dwarf varieties should be sown within 1 month. Seed nuts can be sown either vertically or horizontally. In vertical sowing, seed nuts are planted with the stalk end facing upward. Since the embryo is located at the stalk end, this orientation facilitates the easy upward emergence of the seedling. Vertical sowing also allows for efficient packing and transportation, reducing the risk of seedling damage during transit. However, a key drawback is that the nut water does not remain in close contact with the germinating embryo, which may affect early development. Despite this, vertical planting is preferred for its convenience in transportation and the reduced risk of seedling injury when lifting from the nursery. In horizontal sowing, the seed nut is placed on its side with the stalk end positioned horizontally and the widest segment facing upward. This method promotes early and higher germination with vigorous seedling growth, as the nut water remains in close contact with the embryo. Horizontal sowing is particularly recommended for delayed planting when the nut water level has significantly decreased. However, there is a risk of seedling damage during transportation. Despite transportation challenges, it is generally preferred for its ability to enhance seedling germination, vigor, and growth.